Detoxification is the process of removing toxins from the body. It is a natural process that occurs in the liver, kidneys, and other organs. However, in today's world, we are exposed to more toxins than ever before. These toxins can come from our food, water, air, and even personal care products. While our bodies are good at detoxifying themselves, they can sometimes get overwhelmed. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, which can cause a variety of health problems. MTHFR stands for methylnitridroffolate reductase. It is an enzyme that helps your body process folate, a B vitamin that is essential for many bodily functions. MTHFR is an enzyme that plays a role in many functions, including detoxification. People with an MTHFR mutation may have difficulty detoxifying their bodies, which can lead to a buildup of toxins. This can increase the risk of health problems, such as heart disease, stroke, cancer, and autoimmune diseases. People with an MTHFR mutation may have higher levels of homocysteine in their blood. This is because their bodies are not able to convert homocysteine to methionine as efficiently. High levels of homocysteine can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. People with an MTHFR mutation may also have lower levels of folate in their blood. This is because the MTHFR enzyme is involved in converting folate to its active form. Low levels of folate can increase the risk of neural tube defects in babies born to women with an MTHFR mutation. Most people with an MTHFR mutation do not experience any health problems. However, people with an MTHFR mutation may be at increased risk of certain health problems, common signs your body needs to detox. Irregular periods, migraines, cold hands, hot flashes, weight gain, bloating, foggy brain, poor focus and concentration, fatigue, low energy, skin problems, anxiety, nausea, and inflammation. MTHFR mutations cause an inability to make adequate methylation. Methylation is essential for detoxification, resulting in the inability to clear toxins from the body, leading to an overload of toxicity. Detoxification is critical to being healthy with MTHFR mutations because it helps get out chemicals, pesticides, heavy metals, food, and all the bad things that we put into our bodies. BIOMEIQ has the perfect solution for those of you with MTHFR and methylation deficiencies. Our Detox P5.0 is great to get rid of toxins and fight inflammation. You can find more information at www.mthfrstore.com, or you can call us at 305-901-5866.